Hi, myself Dr. Suraj Tambe, MDS, prosthodontist and implantologist, practicing in Nasik, Maharashtra. I have been using Osstem implants and the kits since last 6 to 7 years. I have placed more than 3000 implants with the help of Osstem 122 kit. As compared with all other systems in like Osstem and other implants, I won't take the company names, but 122 kit stands out of all other systems because the system has a stopper which is inbuilt, which gives the operators confidence to perform the surgeries with the help of CBCT and the guided kit also. The system is very simple, which can be learned by any newcomer dentist and easily do the surgery without any hassles. Specifically, the quality of 122 kit is very much good. The drills after the surgeries are easily cleansable, as well as it can be autoclaved after various autoclaving procedures. Also, the kit is very much having good efficiency of cutting the bone. And the specific point of 122 kit is we can skip the drills. Minimal drilling protocol, what is called as, it can be followed in 122 kit. That reduces our chairside time, as well as the temperature control of the bone cutting is also managed. So it is very much advantageous to use the 122 kit. Thank you.